This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about disposable utensils, specifically these RW-based utensils. They're a clear plastic utensil, and you have the options of the fork, knife, both of which are 7 inches, or the spoon, which is 6.5 inches. And they're all sold separately, which means you can buy what you need. The crystal clear plastic utensils are perfect for a variety of establishments and events and are easily dressed up to match your theme, occasion, or environment. The high quality, durable construction is resistant to cracking, bending, or breaking. These recyclable forks, knives, and spoons are perfect for eco-minded establishments or caterers. They're a great option for cafes, food trucks, or fast casual establishments, especially those with self-serve stations for utensils and condiments. They're great for caterers to be used at a variety of different functions and events, and can be used to do things like stock your office break room, or just to use on a daily basis at home or for your next party.